When I was 4, I wrote a song about falling into a black hole. I don't know how to function without music. When I'm not making it, I'm listening to it. It gives me courage and takes care of my mind. I'm gonna make what I want to make, and other people are gonna like what they're gonna like. It doesn't really matter. When I do have free time, I spend it with friends, or I spend it at home writing or making something. I don't even call them fans. I don't like that. They're literally just a part of my life. They're a part of my family. I don't think of them as on a lower level than me. I don't think I'm anything but equal to all of them. So yeah, they're basically all of my siblings. It's rare for anyone to value the opinions of a teenage girl.